it was I took features of my own personality because I became my own client.
Yes.
And, you know, structured them in the space, and it was really a lot of fun to do that. Every single area is representative of something of me. The reason why the men's worked for me was I could meet the deadline, I could customize it. It was amazing to have this application that we could add to it as needed. As soon as we saw it needed a little more color here, or a little variety or variation, and we could really play.
Yeah. We keep looking up because Nikki actually did the ceiling of this hallway.
And the reason I wanted to do the ceiling and not a wall is I wanted it to be standalone. I wanted something interesting and I wanted something organic. I wanted it to be a standout feature.
So this was all put together by hand. And once we came up with a design, we ran it through the Dimensor, came out really nice. We actually trimmed it by hand to cut to the shape for the entire ceiling, and actually installed it all in one piece. So I came here there were about 9 guys installing this in one shot.
Initially I was going to do nothing on the ceiling. So back and I was like, it needs to be something like there's heavens and earth.
When I saw the Dimens, I was blown away by the textures and all the capabilities that the machine has. Once I saw that it also fits into our product line so well, to be ahead of the game and with something so different, so unique, that's not just the general standard wallpaper. You can really have a lot of fun with this product. It's not like anything else that's on the market.
I wanted to do this now because I feel like my business has grown and flourished. Also important from a charity perspective that we're giving back.
We're excited to continue working with you, Nikki. Thank you so much for letting us be a part of this. This is just amazing, and your space is fabulous.
Thank you.